Now let's look at what factors contributed to the development of cloud computing. Virtualization, internet connectivity, low cost and compute power, automation and management tools, data center technologies, pay-as-you-go pricing model, scalability and flexibility. Virtualization. This is the most important factor. What is virtualization? For an example, in your PC, you may have only one physical hard disk. But when you open your computer, you can see multiple drives like local disk C, D, and E. Even though there is only one physical hard disk, we see multiple disks because the system divides that physical disk into multiple logical partitions. This is a similar concept to virtualization. In virtualization, what exactly happens is that we convert physical resources into logical resources. The benefit of doing virtualization is that we are able to create multiple logical resources even using one physical resource. Before virtualization, if there was one server, that server was dedicated to a single purpose. For an example, if we had a Windows server running an authentication server and another Linux server running a web server. In this case, we would need two physical servers, right? Because they are in two different environments. But after virtualization, even if we have only one physical server, by enabling virtualization, we can run both environments like Windows and Linux on the same server. To enable the virtualization, first of all we need to install a software called Hypervisor. Hypervisors are divided into two main categories, Type 1 hypervisor and Type 2 hypervisors. These are also known as bare metal hypervisors and hosted hypervisors. When there is no operating system installed and we want to install the hypervisor directly on the hardware, in that case we use a bare metal hypervisor. For an example, vmware ESXi. Otherwise, if we want to install the hypervisor on top of an existing operating system, for an example on a Windows PC, in that case we use a hosted hypervisor. Examples for hosted hypervisors are VMware Workstation and VirtualBox. By using these hypervisors, we can create a virtualized environment. All components created in this environment are considered as virtual resources. For an example, if we create a machine in this virtualized environment, we call it a virtual machine, aka VM. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech explained in simple manner.